guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Cici. Beijing is already hitting -10 degrees and there's almost nothing better to do than staying at home and having Hotpot. First, you will need a pot. Any kind will work, but an electric pot with temperature control is ideal. Ours even has a liftable platform, which you will see in the video later. The key to a perfect hot pot relies on what you cook in. I've prepared fresh lamb slices, mushrooms, shrimp paste, tofu, and vegetables. Lamb is a centerpiece for northern hot pot, so I made a quick trip to get fresh lamb slices earlier. I'm portioning it now to keep some for future meals in the freezer. Here's a pro tip, don't go overboard with too many ingredients, or you will find yourself eating way too much. Don't know how to say 茼蒿 in English, but it's this kind of veggie. We usually eat it in hot pot. Not many people like it because it has a little special taste, but people usually say when you grow up, you will love it. This is my favorite, frozen tofu. Technically, this is a northern Chinese way of eating hot pot. We use a clear water broth flavored only with ginger slices and scallions. Northern regions like Chongqing prefer a rich, spicy broth with lots of chili peppers. While waiting for the water to boil, let's make the dipping sauce.
今天介绍一下调火锅调料都需要什么东西啊？这个火锅的调料呢，一般上来讲，主要的是依靠这个麻酱啊，它里头是由花生酱和芝麻酱组成。然后呢，北方吃火锅的话，就主要是麻酱加上腐乳，加上韭菜花。腐乳就是腌制的豆腐。然后呢，也可以随意在超市里买一些这种特殊的火锅调料，然后加在跟3种混合在一起。 搅拌均匀即可。那我们开始调料啊。需要蒯得很使劲才能把它们都蒯出来。
周围就是它的芝麻油。
韭菜花因为比较咸，添加的时候适量就好。 然后咱们再添加一块腐乳，腐乳需要把它
碾碎。
加入一些外面买的火锅调料，然后最后加入一些水，水需要少量多次添加。 不能够一次性添加太多，再加入一些水。其实和到这种 稍微拉丝的程度就可以，比较粘稠的程度就可以。好，我们加入巨量香菜，进行搅拌。哦，
再加上我最爱的冻豆腐。There's actually an order to what goes into the pot. We usually start with the vegetables, mushrooms, and tofu because, according to Chinese medicine, this helps prepare your stomachs to better digest the meat. Then comes the start of the show, lamb slide. Let me show off our magical electric pot. Its lifting platform makes grabbing food super convenient.
等到这个肉整体颜色都变白之后就可以吃了。然后当然可能这个还有一点血色，必须得涮。
No more fishing around for a piece of tofu for 1 hour. As the meal goes on, the broth becomes richer and more flavorful with every ingredient added. The best part of hot pots isn't just the food, it's the experience. The bubbling pot, the rising steam, and the sheer excitement of fishing out a perfectly cooked piece of shrimp create a cozy and fun atmosphere. Hot pot is more than a meal. It's a warm and interactive way to bring everyone together, especially on chilly winter nights. What's your favorite hot pot ingredients? Let me know in the comments. Follow me for more delicious Chinese food adventures.